graph of a linear equation in two variables. Let's recall. In the 9th standard, we learned that the graph of a linear equation in two variables is a straight line. The ordered pair which satisfies the equation is a solution of that equation. The ordered pair represents a point on that line. Example, draw graph of 2x minus y is equal to 4. Solution. To draw a graph of the equation, let's write 4 ordered pairs. X 0, y minus 4, x y 0 minus 4, x 2, y 0, x y 2 0, x 3, y 2, x y 3 2, x minus 1, y minus 6, x y minus 1 minus 6. To obtain ordered pair by simple way, let's take x is equal to 0 and then y is equal to 0. Steps to follow for drawing a graph of linear equation in two variables. Find at least 4 ordered pairs for given equation. Draw x-axis, y-axis on graph paper and plot the points. See that all 4 points lie on the line. 2 points are sufficient to represent a line, but if coordinates of one of the 2 points are wrong, then you will not get a correct line. If you plot 3 points and if they are non-collinear, then it is understood that one of the points is wrongly plotted. But it is not easy to identify the incorrect point. If we plot 4 points, it is almost certain that 3 of them will be collinear. A linear equation y is equal to 2 is also written as 0x plus y is equal to 2. The graph of this line is parallel to x-axis as for any value of x, y is always 2. Similarly, equation x is equal to 2 is written as x plus 0y is equal to 2 and its graph is parallel to y-axis. Let's learn. Graphical method. Example. Let's draw graphs of x plus y is equal to 4, 2x minus y is equal to 2 and observe them. X plus y is equal to 4. X minus 1, y 5, x y minus 1 5, x 4, y 0, x y 4 0, x 1, y 3, x y 1 3, x 6, y minus 2. Now we will solve practice set 1.2. Question number 1. Complete the following table to draw graph of the equations. 1. X plus y is equal to 3. 2x minus y is equal to 4. Solution. X plus y is equal to 3. X 3, y 0, x y 3 0. X minus 2, y 5, x y minus 2 5. X 0, y 3, x y 0 3. X minus y is equal to 4. X 4, y 0, x y 4 0. X minus 1, y minus 5, x y minus 1 minus 5. X 0, y minus 4, x y 0 minus 4. Question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. 1. X plus y is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to 4. Solution. To draw the graph of equations, x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4, and observe them. X plus y is equal to 6. X 0, y 6, x y 0 6, x 3, y 3, x y 3 3. X 5, y 1, x y 5 1. X 7, y minus 1, x y 7 minus 1. X minus y is equal to 4. X 4, y 0, x y 4 0. X 5, y 1, x y 5 1. X 8, y 4, x y 8 4. X 9, y 5, x y 9 5. Each point on the graph satisfies the equation. The two lines intersect each other in point 5 1. Hence, ordered pair 5 1, that is, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 1, satisfies the equations x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4. Therefore, xy is equal to 5 1 is the solution of the given equation. 6. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 3y minus x is equal to 4. Solution. To draw the graph of equations, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 and 3y minus x is equal to 4, and observe them. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. X 5, y 2, xy 5 2, x 8, y 4, xy 8 4, x 11, y 6, xy 11 6, x 14, y 8, xy 14 8. 3y minus x is equal to 4. x 2, y 2, xy 2 2, x 5, y 3, xy 5 3, x 8, y 4, xy 8 4, x 11, y 5, xy 11 5. Each point on the graph satisfies the equation. The two lines intersect each other in point 8 4. Hence, ordered pair 8 4, that is, x is equal to 8, y is equal to 4, satisfies the equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 4 and 3y minus x is equal to 4. Therefore, xy is equal to 8 and 4 is the solution of the given equation.